Auditor.
An auditor is the eyes and ears of the company. They are the private investigators of the financial world. They check that what a company says and what a company does is the same thing. This is important information for investors, management, shareholders, and the taxman. External auditors are employed by an auditing firm and they work independently of a company. They make sure that people on the outside can trust a company's books and their claims.
The role of the external auditor is to express an opinion on the reasonableness and fairness of the annual financial statements.
Internal auditors are employed by the company. They check that the company is being run according to plan.
Internal auditors really look at every single aspect of the business, and they look at the controls, they look at the risks. So whatever risks there may be in the organisation that may cause the organisation to fail, there have to be controls in place to make sure that those risks don't materialise, and the internal auditors go in and check that those controls are in place and they're working.
Therefore, it's important that auditors are ethical and trustworthy people.
Tenacious,
self-motivated,
Objective.
Intelligent and very fascinating people.
They also have an inquiring mind.
the profession attracts the top quality people.
The road to becoming an internal auditor, firstly an academic qualification, and it is not as stringent as with external audit. You've got to go the BCom route first, for instance. Most of our internal auditors come through the BCom route, but they can go through many different routes. For example, an internal auditor in the medical profession working for a hospital, for instance, need to have a very good understanding of what those risks would be. A BCom is not going to help them much. A medical degree would help them a lot more. So it depends on the field that the internal auditor wants to specialize in. It may be IT, for instance, and therefore a degree in that area would be more appropriate.
If you're a chartered accountant, it doesn't mean that you're automatically an auditor. You have to write the auditing exam set by ourselves.
It is really easy to get a job when you're an auditor.
There's an unprecedented demand.
Sometimes you even get phone calls when your CV is not on the market.
The job prospects are therefore excellent.
It will remain one of the most highly respected professions, locally and internationally.
Auditing is a stimulating career with endless possibilities. Become an auditor.
To get there takes a lot of hard work.
Choose auditing if you want to live a fulfilling life and a very rewarding one. I urge you to do that.